First of all, to congratulate Košice. I think that they play in high level. That I say without foreigner, except Bojovic, they really play good basketball, modern basketball, strong basketball, with a lot of with good defense and with a lot of transition, offense, rebound. But another way, I should say that we travel all day and we start game a bit, that I say weakly, without tonus. After that, we get rhythm. And first quarter, it was feeling in the air that we can play, also on that level, that I say high level. I should mention that unfortunately, referee changed criterion from the second quarter, because how I can say Košice has 7 players, everybody knows that, and that they continue whistle how they whistle first quarter. It's guaranteed that Košice cannot finish the game today. And it's happened that my key players like 15, Buido Shonora, Maurita Reed, and Fures Dia play less than 20 minutes and they was out with 5 fouls. But of course I don't want to now say that we lost because of that. It's normal, Košice is very strong, but I think that unfortunately we couldn't today practice anything on this game, and because of that I'm satisfied with that. Because of that I mentioned that referees. These games should be for us useful to learn from these games, how to play, how to run, how to box out, how to defend, all this stuff, how to play against aggressive defense. So I think that I'm waiting from this that it should be more correctly from the referees, and that we can use this game to improve our game, because we have a very young team too.